You can't compare CapCut with DaVinci Resolve because even its free version packs a lot of features that you can't even imagine. Although CapCut has many limitations, I found it to be on par with DaVinci Resolve when it comes to speed ramping edits. So I tested them by creating the same speed ramp video using CapCut and DaVinci Resolve. Let's start with CapCut. For this video, I'm using a simple car drifting clip for speed ramping. I will leave the link in the description for the clip, so you can follow along. Bring the footage into the timeline. Make sure your video format is 9:16 and resize the clip to match the format. Select the clip and go to the Speed tab on the right. Switch to Curve. You will see a few predefined curves that you can choose from. You can also customize them as needed. I'm going with the bullet curve for the speed ramp I'm trying to achieve. You can simply play around with these handles to adjust how you want the speed ramp to happen. This will give a slow-mo effect where you want in the video. Now enable the smooth slow motion and set it to optical flow. This slow-mo feature is not free to use in the recent CapCut versions, so if you are wondering which version I'm using, it is 4.00. There is one more thing we could do to enhance the look of the clip. Switch to the Video tab and enable Motion Blur. Now we have a smooth speed ramp clip made from CapCut. It's time to create the same speed ramp effect in DaVinci Resolve. Bring the clip into the timeline. We don't need the audio track, so unlink and delete the audio track by right-clicking and selecting Link Clips. Now select only the audio track and hit backspace. Alright, let's work on the speed ramping. I'm going to split this clip into 3 parts. Right-click on the clip and select Retime Controls. This will show you the speed of the clip, and you can set speed points at specific places on the clip. So when I play the clip, I want the clip to start slowing down here. At this position, click on this drop-down arrow and select Add Speed Point. This marks the starting point where you want to slow down the video. We will set another marker somewhere here. So now we have split the video into 3, and you can adjust the speed of each of them separately. I'm setting the speed to 400 for the first and last part of the clip. For the middle one, I'm setting it to 50%. Now when you play the video and see, there is a bit of a lag as the video is slowed down. To fix this, go to the inspector on the right. Scroll down and find Retime and Scaling. Here, set the retime process to optical flow. Now to smoothen the video, select keyframes. Find Retime Speed and enable this curve. Head over to the keyframe curves. This curve corresponds to the speed that we set earlier. Let's make this curve smooth. Before that, let me pop out this keyframe editor. On the top, there are different easing options to choose from, but I will just leave it as such as it doesn't make much of a difference for this clip. Also, you can control how smooth you want the video to speed up or down by adjusting these handles. In free version of DaVinci Resolve, you can't add motion blur directly. But there is a solution to this in the Fusion page. Select the clip and open it in Fusion page. With the Media In node selected, press Ctrl Space and type Optical Flow and add it. Now add a vector motion blur. This adds a motion blur effect, and we are done. So after testing both, here's what I realized. DaVinci Resolve is still unmatched when it comes to control and depth. You can fine-tune every little detail, and that's powerful. But what really surprised me is how far CapCut has come. For a free tool that's beginner-friendly and quick to learn, it held its ground, especially for something as dynamic as speed ramping. At the end of the day, it's not about the software. It's about the story you're trying to tell. Whether you're editing on a powerful workstation or a simple laptop, you've got the tools to make something amazing.